first on KOLR 10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. I wanted to share some pictures from this weekend's winter storm because I got so many from you at home. This picture of a power line totally out in Seymour, Missouri, taken by Eric Higgins, where we had ice accumulations a quarter to a half an inch, too heavy for some of the trees and power lines, and power was out for some of our communities to the south and east of Springfield. We also had ice very heavy. You could see here on those tree branches, totally snapped trees in Diggins, Missouri. And then we had some lighter snow around Leclerc County. Looks pretty on the trees and the bridges there. And then we had more significant snow totals to the north in central Missouri, 6 inches here taken by Gail McKinney. So these snow totals, again, were heaviest and highest up in central Missouri from Clinton over to Lake of the Ozarks, where we saw some of those totals about 6, 7, 8 inches. And then we had that area to the south and east of Springfield with a quarter to a half an inch of ice. That's where we had a lot of trees get damaged and some power out there. The bullseye of the storm up around Columbia, Missouri towards St. Louis. This is where we've got these totals about a foot or more, and unfortunately where we had some massive problems on highways, and it did cause some fatalities. Temperatures this morning are around freezing. It's 30 in Springfield, 30 at Lake of the Ozarks, and 30 in Branson. We've got a north wind bringing in this cold air. It's sustained about 5 miles per hour with some chills in the 20s. But that north cold wind coming over our warmer lakes is creating some little lake effect snow out there this morning. A band of a few flurries coming through Springfield right now originated up to the north and west near our lakes, and it's pretty light. We're looking at very little flurries out of that. It shouldn't slow you down, but it's just interesting to see how it formed because we still have some warmer lake waters. Here comes this north wind with this cold air. It picks up some of that moisture over the lake, and since the air is cold, it generates snow that when it comes off of the lake and then lifts onto land, we get some snow formation. So we had some of that happen overnight and this morning. Clouds hang on as we head through the afternoon today. Mostly cloudy skies, temperatures stuck in the 30s, 35 in Springfield, around freezing to the north and east, a little bit closer to 40 to the south and west, where we might get in some clearing earlier in the day. I think the clearing comes too little too late, which is why we stay stuck in the 30s. A couple of clouds overnight tonight, and we drop into the 20s tomorrow. Probably the nicest day of the week. Mostly sunny, mild. We'll have some melting snow for areas that did get snow. Temperatures in the middle and upper 40s. I think Springfield has a shot at making it to 50 degrees. So we're looking at a very short-lived warming trend through Wednesday, right? So stuck in the 30s today, temperatures in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. Rain arrives Thursday, and then we'll have a bigger storm system come through by the weekend, and that's going to take these temperatures nosediving as Arctic air comes in, only in the 20s on Sunday. Again, a brief warming trend, but then that storm system is just going to open up this door to Canada. It's going to bring in this huge dip in the jet stream, which holds that cold air, and we're looking at a very cold end to the week and pretty bitter as we head through the weekend. 35 degrees today with some lingering clouds, and then we'll have some clearing come through late. 26 overnight with a few clouds there. 50 tomorrow, really nice. Warmer sunshine, some melting snow, 50 degrees with that sunshine. Rain arrives by Thursday, temperatures in the 40s. Then we'll have a mix to snow on Saturday. Temperatures nosedive as we head into Sunday.
All right.